If you want to stay up to date with all my news, then join me on Twitter. Hi there, Albitastic here and welcome. Because it takes me quite a time to create new videos, I'll be posting daily on Twitter to keep you up to date with what is happening here and get your opinions on future projects, etc. I'll also be posting about Windows 11 and how the updates are going and any problems I may encounter. Since Windows 11 has now been launched, that's quite important, especially since all the machines I'm using are unsupported, like the Z800. So join me on Twitter to stay up to date. My Twitter handle is simple, it's @Albitastic, and I've also put it down below, so I hope to see you all there.
Hello friends, if you enjoyed our video, can I ask you to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as a regular viewer. Thank you, and have a lovely day.